Hey, Mark Tacna here, and welcome back to my channel, The Media Nerd.
Hooray!
Today's video, I am going to repair an old U-matic tape. What happened was I put it in the deck, I hit fast forward to find the end, and the tape broke off the spool because it is so old.
Oh boy.
Now, I haven't repaired a tape like this in like 5 or 10 years. So let's see if my memory serves me correctly on how to repair this tape. Let's get started.
Oh boy!
What I have with me, screwdriver, some Scotch tape, little scissors, a little screwdriver.
Ooh!
So this flips open just like a VHS tape.
Oh really?
So I'm going to tape it down. My handy block of wood.
Wow!
So we have screws. I have to take those screws out. Now it also looks like there's little screws right here that we're gonna have to take out as well.
Uh-huh.
Here's one here. So it looks like the tape runs through this area here. So we're gonna flip it over just like we do the VHS tape. I don't know what kind of moving parts are in here.
Oh really?
There's screws here, but I won't have to worry about that. Okay, this came right off. So I think this tape, easier if we flip it this way.
Oh yeah!
This little piece of metal goes right on top of here, so we're gonna have to hold on to that, put it back. Put that right there. So I see it's going to go through this black, these two black bars, wrap around here, and we're gonna have to tape it back onto this spool here, which is where it came off.
Oh.
Simple enough. So I do believe, unlike a VHS tape that it wraps this way, it's going to wrap and go the opposite way.
Ooh.
Let's get a piece of Scotch tape. Should be pretty simple. Not gonna have to cut the Scotch tape because the tape is wider than the Scotch tape.
And away we go!
Okay. Now we're going to simply tape it on. All right. So the tape goes in between these two bars. It's going to wrap around this here. I don't believe I wanted to wrap around this little piece of metal. All right, so far so good. This lays right on top. There's a little notch right there, which helps. There's a little flap here. Tape is gonna have to go through that flap.
Oh yeah!
I'm gonna take my screwdriver and I'm gonna press this flap in while I lay it down. Okay. That looks good so far. Find our little screws first and put our little screws in. Seemed pretty simple so far. Hopefully it'll work. Take our plastic off. Flips right down.
Yeah!
Hopefully. There we go. See this here? This holds this flap down. So you push that, opens it up,
Oh.
but you have to push it back down for it to close and lock. Hopefully that'll work.
Oh, yeah.
Here's my U-matic. It's a Sony. Okay, went in just fine. Let's hit play. And I have a picture. There it is. So that is it. I was able to repair this old U-matic tape. You saw me do it, and I put it in the deck, I hit play, the picture came up, and it looked great. Well, as good as an old U-matic can look, right? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, ring that bell for future notifications, and remember, sharing is caring. So please share this video with a friend or two. Have a wonderful day.